Uh-oh, doesn't seem like a safe place to tread. But a great place for feet caring. Step to it. The feet are gonna get you. Help! We need a podiatrist. Ouch, those nails can't be comfortable. Let's help. That'll show we come in peace. Now everyone's friends. Gimme paw. And you've got a new job in foot repair. She's here for all your foot-related needs. You need a tissue? Uh-oh. And she doesn't look too happy. Don't worry. Maybe we can cover it up. Oh, shoes with a furry trim. And let's add some highlights. A nice brush should help too. Don't forget to shampoo and condition. Get your dancing shoes. There's gonna be a party tonight. Do you have shoes? Well, that answers that. Oh, so close, yet so far away. Okay, calm down and think. What the? Oh, look, metal springs. Add them to any shoe bottom. For a new spring in your step. And while you're in the air, reach for the stars, or at least those shoes. Now get ready, it's party time. Care to dance? Unfortunately, he's got 2 left feet, and I'm not talking about his face. It's okay. Grab some colored pencils. This'll help him get the point. Next best thing to steel-toed boots. Or, you know, changing partners. You know, the doormat's there for a reason. I'd say start a no shoes, no service policy. But then we'd be out of business. So let's put you in a pair ASAP. We don't have your size. So we'll just have to customize. Ah, pineapples. They're not just for pizza. They also make stylish sandals. Those tiny umbrellas sold separately. At the dog park, you should always watch your step. It's just not safe for a shoe. I know. Just grab an old wax strip. I'll just walk it off. As for the strip, remove the hair and add to your shoe. It won't stop you from stepping where you shouldn't. But at least it makes cleanup a breeze. Looks like someone's going on a trip. Let's hail a taxi. Hey, wait. Oh no! Your suitcase wheels! Now we'll have to carry it. Wait, maybe we can still use these wheels to turn these shoes into skates. Now glide on down to the airport. Time for yoga class. Leave your shoes at the door. Oh no, these shoes are piling up! Guess it's too late to suggest using cubbies. Wow, either you're a master or that hurts. But maybe those blocks can help. Find your shoes and add a block cover. No way you'll lose them in a crowd. Oh, are you ready for your blind date? Don't be shy. Introduce yourself. Wow. Now that's a lot of feet. Like 7 feet tall. It's okay. We just need a little boost. Now get this broccoli in shape. Cover it with resin and glitter. And now you've got high heels. Now you're seeing eye to eye. Oh, how exciting! It's time for the big shoe contest! And it's a really big shoe. But I don't think you qualify. Well, let's fix that. Grab some marshmallows. Wow, people are just so generous today. Hey, save some for the craft. Add some color and confetti. Now melt them up and pour into a mold. Let it dry and carve them into shape. Make sure the judges see them. And we have a winner. Everyone's in line for a private party. But this place has a dress code. Like shoes for starters. At least socks. We could make another new pair. Or we could think outside the shoebox. Ha! We're gonna need some glitter. And I mean a lot of it. Let's hope this'll do the trick. Great success! Now dance the night away. Ooh, nice shoes. Looks like they're flying off the shelf. Oh no, it's a shoe burglar. Well, at least your socks are safe. At least the unripped one. This guy owes you one. Much better. Together forever. At least until laundry day. Oh good, pizza's here. And we've got the perfect thing to slice it up. Okay, ready your engines. Go! And that's just the first run through. People think dirt bikes are tough. This one takes on cheese. Wait, I know this egg. It looks like Gudetama. Let's perk you up. First, some mouth exercises. Or would you like a snack? What a good little egg. Eating all gone. Whoops, guess it was too much. What makes a bubble bath even better? More bubbles. Let's just give our crabby friend here some soap. And when we're done, give his pachyderm buddy a crank. Come on, blow those bubbles. Keep them coming. I want the whole room filled. Beauty takes work, especially when blemishes attack. Okay, that is one tough pimple. I guess this is his beauty routine too. But he's met his match, a pimple patch. Much better. Probably should throw that out. How did that get up there? Okay, it's time for heavy artillery. This tool even comes complete with a camera. Wow, it's like braving the jungle inside your nose. Of course, it's called an ear stick for a reason. There's enough wax to start that candle store you wanted. I think it's as good a sign as any to start cleaning. Ah, time for a midnight snack. But isn't it always after 6? If you think about it. Don't worry, the fridge is your friend. It doesn't judge. No, it gives you all sorts of good things to eat. Of course, not all food keeps in the cold. Just ask this banana. Still, small price to pay for all that candy. Time for a new look. What, you thought she'd stop at purple hair? Well, that's one way to get it to stick. It looks like she's got plenty of gems to share, too. Looks nice, but you should probably wash your hair at some point. A touch of foundation can't hurt. Just add a little of what we need to the brush. And keep on spinning. Spin like you're making yarn. Smooth it out. We're going for that au naturel look. This makeup works best when no one can tell you're using any. Sure is taking a lot. Do we need to give the brush a refill? Wow, what a transformation! Now Mr. Brush can rest. This toy is like some kind of advanced form of peekaboo. We can go from happy kitty to angry kitty. Just be careful toying with a cat's emotions. This toy seems pretty sus. That's no crewmate. It's an imposter. Let's pretend we didn't see that. We really need to fix that dishwasher. Luckily, we've got just the tool to help. A brush that dispenses soap. Now let's get cleaning. It starts off by giving the dishes a good spritz. Then you really get in there with a good scrubbing. Soon the plates will look practically store-bought. But seriously, we need to fix that dishwasher. A few extra hairs are nothing to worry about. We've come prepared. Press the button, and it's time to work out. Just watch the thread remove every stray whisker. Come on, just keep clapping. We're almost done. Almost there. Done. You're back to having 2 eyebrows. Snack time! Today, she's in the mood for seeds. And with this device, shells are no problem. Just plop them in, and it cleans them up for you. Kinda reminds me of a mama bird feeding her chicks. After all, birds do like seeds. Wow, look at the size of that spider! Well, Mr. Spider, say hello to our little friend. Now you know how all those flies feel. Sort of. It's nice to see they overcame their differences in the end. Look at all those different nails. Getting inspired? It's an easy fix. Bring out the nail polish. All those different colors, why settle on one? But that's just the start. We're gonna press on new shapes. Funny, I thought we were gonna see the nails perspective. Still, it's amazing to see the artist at work. Show off those nails. Wow, look at all those toys. She's even got one that's a phone cover. Your phone can get used to this kind of luxury. Plus, you get a bunch of buttons to play with. Just be careful. You don't want to burst any buttons. And don't forget, you can play while checking your phone. Careful, or you'll just spoil that phone. Ah, a nice hot shower. Oh no! Your hair's falling out! At least this scrubber can clean off your hand. And it'll help you declog the drain, too. Maybe you should start wearing a shower cap. Something tells me there's a reason she's saving all these hairs. And just like that, they're practically twins. Would you look at that? She was making a new wig. And good thing, or they'd really start to look like twins. Stupendous stuff! Catch you next time.